Whenever I back out to the 30-minute chart, the aqua blue lines, look, I've only drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. I connected 4 30-minute dot-to-dot trend lines, and I don't even like that one. It's too straight up. You want to see the lines that are more of a realistic angle. So I've connected 4 30-minute dot-to-dot trend lines in aqua blue. Now I'm on the 5-minute, and they are in lime green. I have connected 3 of the 5-minute dot-to-dot trend lines. Back on the 30 now, I also drew 3 horizontal lines. Make that 4. One of those is at the bottom of this swing low at 32,134. One was at this swing low dot 33,034, 33,359, and 34,136. That's pretty much what I'm going to be watching today. And I hopefully watch that right there get back up into all blue. $7:43 a.m. My original 5:34 a.m. entry is $36 plus in drawdown. I do have a 0.01 sell and $47 plus profit. Just showing you this real quick as a follow-up to the trend lines. The lime green ones are 5-minute dot-to-dot trend lines. The aqua blue ones, once again, are 30-minute dot-to-dot trend lines. The white line right here, that is the 200-day moving average. Take a look at how price reacts to the lines, guys. And at 7:46 a.m., look at how price is coming down here and touching the 5-minute dot-to-dot trend line. And there just below it is my original 5:34 a.m. entry, which was at 32,616.90. It has found support atop my entry right there at 3 different 5-minute candles, you will see. If it breaks below and gets my original entry back into profit, I do look for it to at least come back and retest this blue 30-minute dot-to-dot trend line. I do not know shit. This is not financial advice. By the time you see this, it will have already happened. 7:52 a.m. You can see price is literally retesting my original entry. As I said, it is either going to find support here and go back up for a retest, but I predict actually for it to go down below. And if it gets me into profit, once again, as I just stated, I do intend on seeing it go all the way down to that 30-minute dot-to-dot trend line. You can't ever tell about this US30 though, guys. I'm telling you, it doesn't always follow the rules. And just whenever you think you got it figured out, you'll find out you do not. And I do not claim to have this figured out. I'm just telling you guys what I've been studying, and wouldn't even know any of this to even study had it not been for Andy Peters. I always got to give credit where credit is due. That's like old exercises that I learned from people. I've got exercises that I do today that I learned 20 years ago that I learned from friends. So Andy Peters taught me these dot-to-dot trend lines. I didn't even know what dot-to-dot trend lines were. And that's pretty much all I look at, guys, and the 200-day moving average. Let's see what happens. Notice how the 7:55 a.m. candle opened underneath the 5-minute dot-to-dot trend line, whereas before, all of these candles here that are touching it and testing it, they have not opened below it. Now we've got one opening below it here. Let's see how it plays out. Once again, this is 7:56 a.m. currently. I still am in drawdown on that original 5:34 a.m. 0.02 sell entry. And at 8 a.m., as price did go down and get into my profit, I did protect my entry. And notice we just had the 8 a.m. candle, excuse me, open below the 5-minute dot-to-dot trend line as well. And I do now have both of my sell entries protected. That top one is a 0.01. The bottom one is a 0.02. There is the current running profit. At 8:04 a.m., the 0.02 original entry just got kicked out in profit. Dang it. Well, I shouldn't say dang it. If it's going to go up, I'm glad it kicked me out. As you can see, it is 8:10 a.m. I have entered another 0.02 sell, and I already have it protected. I've got a horizontal line drawn right there at 32,589, looking for price to break below that. And if it does not and finds support there, it will hit my protected stop loss. And the 0.02 sell was just kicked out in profit. Can't complain, the account just keeps climbing, and I'm just doing 0.02 and 0.01 entries as you see here, not getting crazy with it. Trying to save this account. Don't want to blow it like I've done so many times before. Woo! 8:28 a.m. It finally broke down. I did just take a partial from the 0.02, leaving just like $26 in profit left. Once again, both of those are protected. They are both now 0.01s, but I'm okay with that. We've got 140 plus profit running. At 8:34 a.m. you will see price has came down. It did not fully touch the 30-minute dot-to-dot trend line just yet. It has set a swing low dot just above it. I have successfully gotten out of all of my trades in profit and gotten the account up to 5904. Remember, that was 919 last Wednesday when I started it. I'm going to go ahead and share this video with you guys now. It's 8:35 a.m. Getting ready to throw it together. You'll probably be seeing it here in about 15 minutes. Hopefully it will help you understand the charts going throughout the day and throughout your trading process. Hopefully you're learning as well. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them. I can't promise you anything. Don't go thinking I'm smart on this shit, because I will have had you fooled, baby. Woo! Talk to you in the next one. I'm out.